Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody brought this up on Facebook, so I thought I'd make a video. This is a group of 8 objects. All ellipses look the same, but if we reduce them in size, some of them become thicker lines. That's because even though they're a group, these are different items. So like these two, I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard, and you can see it's not scaled with object. These two, F12 on the keyboard, and you can see they're scaled with object. So every other one has been scaled with objects. You can't really tell. Even though you group them together and you make them a different size, they all need to be scaled with object if you're going to change the size. One thing I always do, and normally do anyway, I've had a F12 on the keyboard, artistic mode, and I'm going to scale with object on everything I draw. And then I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to go to Tools, Save as Default, have all these checked. Now, every time I draw an ellipse, no matter, well, hairlines don't really count because they don't really change in size. But let's make a ½ inch, and then let's scale them with object or make them a bigger object. They're still going to scale with object. They're still going to be the same thickness as line as proportionally. That's very much the case when you're going downhill. You know, the lines are less thick, but they're scaled with the object. Hope that make them understand a little bit. Thank you for watching.